How to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, simply tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar and type Messenger. Now click on search. Now again tap on Messenger and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply go back to the home screen and open up Messenger. Now at the top left corner, simply tap on three lines. Now tap on the gear icon. Now scroll down. Now tap on privacy and safety. Now tap on end-to-end encrypted chats and tap on message storage. Now tap on turn off secure storage. Now tap on continue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.